I love organizing my art supplies, and I think I found the perfect solution. Let me show you the Palette Hotel. This is the current setup I have of my palette hotels. I've got two in my creative space. I have my little arty party up the top. All the girls are in the penthouse in their beautiful dresses having a great time. That's the Velvet Pastels. I've got I'd keep my Drama Sticks sharpeners just here. Easy for me to always find. I've got my palette pastel stacked here on the high floors. I've got my tin of glances here, my mermaid shimmering pastels down here, my little brush spars, part of that brush buff set, my blend-in sponges, that's the high density, that's the soft one. And then in the other little apartment here, I've got my button blenders on top, some washi tapes, my Matchmaker paint set, some of my little pastels. These are my watercolors. Here are all the color sticks. They fit all in here. And I've got my Flutter Black and the Grey Matter up here next to the watercolors. I can try and jam them in, but they sit in more nicely, just giving a little bit of space. It's easier to manage. And I can easily pull them back in and out and they don't fall. It's fantastic. And I've got my smooth markers in here as well. I like to try and keep things arranged in colors so that it's easy for me to find things, grab things. And down on the bottom floor in the lobby, we have the Aqua Pastels and the Power Pastels, so that I've got all of these things right at my fingertips and it's not taking up tons of space. It's just in my nice little palette pastels. They're compact, easy to use, they're light as well. So if I want to pick these up and take them and put them somewhere else, if I'm working out there, for instance, on my other desk that's out there in the natural light, I can easily pick them up, take them somewhere else. Or if I was at home and I wanted to take these up to the dining room table and if I have friends over and I want to have some of my supplies there, I can easily do that as well. Such a compact, good looking solution. I'm so thrilled with it. And then I've got all of my Drama Sticks, Ultimate pens, my Mermalicious brushes, and my LTQ License to Quill pen right here. Oh, I've got everything in hug distance. I can get my hands on whatever I need. I've got my other essentials, incredible inks, my Gesso Matte Medium, all of my cute little paints here. Oh, all my essentials, mermaid markers, just right here, right at my fingertips, ready for me to use. In the description box below, I've got links to where you're going to be able to find the Palette Hotel and all of the gorgeous things to put inside it. You can follow me on Instagram and interact with me in my Facebook Mixed Media group. The links are all below. Thanks for watching. Bye.